Yeah,
But still,
everyone.
if I ask for one name, the player who looks difficult on the field right
Definitely
now.
Krishna is in good
Krishna.
form, and JK is in good bowling form. So, yeah, and Kicha sir's strategies,
Yeah.
which are very difficult to catch.
So how are you planning to beat their strategies out there?
We want to keep it simple, field well, bat well, and execute all our plans. T10 is a very uncertain game. One ball here and there, we don't mind, but if we go throughout with the same intensity in the entire 10 overs, I think we might win the game, yeah.
All right, that means a simple strategy like how they strategize on A23 Rummy, because yahan dimag chalega. Thank you so much for speaking
Thank you,
with
thank
us,
you.
and I wish you all the very best for the rest of the innings.
Thank you.
And we'll go back to the comms now.
प्रिंस सेसिल से बात करती हुई थी शिवफाली, जिन्होंने कहा कि किचा सुदीप की रणनीति से थोड़ा सा बचकर रहना जरूरी है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स को, और जरूर जिस तरीके के स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट हैं किचा सुदीप, बहुत बिजी स्टंप के पीछे, लगातार चारों ओर उनकी निगाहें रहती है, हर एक बॉल के बाद मुआयना करते हुए, हर एक बॉल के बाद अब इशारों ही इशारों में बातें करते हुए, और कोई ना कोई पहेली चलती रहती है जिसे बुझाना मुश्किल होता है। कमेंट्री बॉक्स में एक तब्दीली, अब मेरे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं शंकर। वेलकम बैक शंकर।
Thank you, Savi. Golden Star Ganesh has been a good prospect for Karnataka. Previously, the ball is in the air for a long time, and the one bounce to the boundary. Easy pickings for Akhil Akineni. Well, Akhil, as we all are aware, is a cricketer first, and in his recent movie Majnu, when the villains come and attack him, once again,
बिल्कुल उठाकर खेला बॉलर के सर के ऊपर से, एक बाउंस जरूर हुआ है, रोप से पहले तो 4 रन ही मिलेंगे, पर अखिल
he loves his cricket. That's the reason. Ball in the air. Lucky Akhil once again.
दूसरे रन के लिए तुरंत आना चाहते थे, लेकिन अखिल का ही बैलेंस वहां बिगड़ गया था थोड़ा सा, लेकिन अच्छी तरह से पिक किया था उस बॉल को। कनेक्शन पूरी तरह से नहीं हुआ, वो अच्छी बात अखिल के लिए, नहीं तो सीधे बाउंड्री राइडर के हाथ में जा सकती थी गेंद।
Sai Kumar. Well, will he support Karnataka or Telugu? We will have to wait and see, because he has acted in both the movies. There is Sai Kumar sitting with the Telugu Warriors camp. But then he got his break in Kannada. Though originally from Telugu, he was doing dubbing there, but then got his on-screen presence in Karnataka. But then today is the time of Pan-India. It's a good delivery by Golden Star Ganesh. And talking about Golden Star Ganesh, Mungaru Male, the movie which brought him into limelight after several years in the Kannada film industry, has carved a niche for itself. And Krishnam Pranayam Saki is the latest movie which was a hit and gave a breath of fresh air to the Kannada industry.
आवाज तेज, गैप को चीरते हुए 4 रन आदर्श की ओर से, पावर शॉट ये, और इस ओवर से आए 13 रन, 6 ओवर के बाद 60 पर एक तेलुगु वॉरियर्स। शॉट अखिल अकिनेनी, थर्ड मैन हालांकि मौजूद है, दूसरे रन के लिए कंफ्यूजन, रन आउट का मौका बन सकता है, लेकिन किच्चा सुदीप ने कलेक्शन मिस होता हुआ, और एक और जीवन दान यहां पर एक और बैट्समैन को मिला।
Well, had the ball been collected by Kicha Sudeep, this would have been another wicket. Smart piece of stoppage there from Sagar. The throw comes in correctly, but Kicha Sudeep is in his anticipation to hit the stumps, misses it, and another survival. Telugu Warriors now trail by 52 runs, scoring at an average of 10. What Karnataka Bulldozers require now is a wicket. Otherwise, Akhil and Adarsh have got the capability to take it closer to 113. Hits it in the air. No need to run for that. That's what we were talking about, Adarsh's talent. He used to open for Telugu Warriors earlier, and shows once again that why he's so dangerous. The run-out chance could be proved could be a costly miss.
पहले अखिल अकिनेनी और उसके बाद आदर्श का चांस जो मिस हुआ है वो कितना महंगा पड़ता हुआ यहाँ दिख रहा है। कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स यहाँ मैच की गति को अपने कंट्रोल में कर सकते थे, पूरी तरह से इस स्क्रिप्ट को अपने नाम कर सकते थे, लेकिन यहाँ चीज़ें बदल गई हैं। इसी रन रेट से अगर आगे बढ़े तो कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के नज़दीक यानी कि 106 रन पर पहुंच जाएंगे, लेकिन एक्सेलरेट करके लीड भी ले सकते हैं। तेलुगु वॉरियर्स अपील अच्छी है यहाँ, लेकिन हाइट थोड़ी ज्यादा, रन आउट का मौका, लेकिन सही वक्त पर पहुंच गए थे नॉन स्ट्राइकर। अभी तक अपील जारी रखते हुए, लेकिन ऐसा लगा कि बाउंस की वजह से बच गए बैट्समैन।
Telugu Warriors camp fully happy with the way things have panned out for them. Watching the replay again, but definitely Akhil was safe inside the stumps. It was the call from the non-striker end on his follow through before the throw comes in. Akhil Akineni is safe, not out. Doing great work for his team. The partnership now worth of 35, just 19. High in the air. Will this be taken? No, it falls in no man's land. Another couple of runs. A wild throw comes in, but there's a good backup. So just 2 runs coming of that. What Karnataka now require very, very urgently is a wicket.
और रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट की तारीफ करनी होगी यहाँ पर तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए। अखिल अकिनेनी ने ओपन किया था इनिंग को, 7वें ओवर में हम पहुंच चुके हैं, लेकिन अभी भी उसी तेजी के साथ भागते हुए अपने मूवीज के लिए लगातार जो फिटनेस लेवल को मेंटेन रखना है, उससे कहीं ज्यादा फिटनेस सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग में लेकर आते हुए। एज एक और क्या छूटा, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के द्वारा। लगातार अखिल अकिनेनी को जीवन दान पर जीवन दान मिलते हुए।
As Joseph was mentioning earlier, catches win matches, and definitely this is another costly miss straight into the golden star. Ganesh, I think it is, but then missing it, and this can be very, very costly. That to the catch of Akhil Ganesh there, golden star Ganesh missing it. Probably did not time the jump at the right moment, but nevertheless we should understand first they are actors and then cricket players. So if you think on those lines, then it's fine. But that will definitely be a costly miss, because Karnataka, after doing all the hard work, scoring 1-1-3 and giving away chances to the opposition, that can be the difference between the two teams in the final analysis.
अब फासला अंतर सिर्फ 39 रनों का है, और अखिल और आदर्श अगर ऐसे ही बैटिंग करते रहे तो उसे पाटा जा सकता है। गति को कम किया, उसके बावजूद उठाकर खेलते हुए लॉन्ग ऑफ मौजूद है। एक ही रन मिलेगा, अखिल स्ट्राइक पर रहेंगे। 7 के बाद 75 पर एक तेलुगु वॉरियर्स।
N.A. Harris of Bengaluru. So it's been a real celebrity crowd here.
चंदन नए बॉलर आ चुके हैं, लेकिन 3 टाइट 3 अनुशासित ओवर्स और तेलुगु वॉरियर्स को यहां पर रोका जा सकता है कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के द्वारा। यही कोशिश रहेगी। भूल नहीं सकते कि अखिल ने टॉस जीतकर ये कहा था कि उन्हें चेज करना पसंद है, तो सारे परम्यूटेशंस, कॉम्बिनेशंस, इक्वेशंस सॉल्व करके यहां पर बैटिंग करने के लिए आए हैं अखिल। और स्टेप आउट किया वाइड, इस बॉल को खेलकर छकाना चाहते थे चंदन, लेकिन आदर्श को मिलेगा 1 रन। और हम बात कर रहे थे शंकर, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्शन ऑफ अनिल कुंबले। चंदन truly replicates it.
Absolutely. We have mentioned it earlier in our earlier commentary stints of CCL, and Chandan, it doesn't just bowl like Anil Kumble style, is also a typical Anil Kumble for Karnataka Bulldozers. Has picked up wickets at important junctures, and who knows, there will be a wicket in this over.
मौका था, चंदन ने बहुत ही शानदार लेंथ यहां पर चुना है। एम चिन्नास्वामी स्टेडियम, इस पिच पर अनिल कुंबले ने न जाने कितने विकेट्स लिए हो, न जाने कितने ओवर्स डाले हो। वहां पर उनका एक्शन यहाँ दिखता हुआ सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग में चंदन के हाथों। अच्छा ओवर अब तक घटना हुआ चंदन के लिए। शॉट बेहतरीन, बॉलर के सर की ऊपर से, लेकिन फील्डिंग भी उतनी ही शानदार। अखिल कॉन्फिडेंट थे कि यहां पर बाउंड्री उन्हें मिल जाएगी, लेकिन सिर्फ एक रन पर रोक दिया लॉन्ग ऑफ के फील्डर ने।
Nicely struck down the ground, but great piece of fielding in the deep, getting an applause from Chandan Kumar. Telugu Warriors, it's been a good over so far for Karnataka. Just 2 balls to go. If you do not concede a boundary, it will be a good thing. Just missing the line. We were talking about that. It should have been stopped. But then, just when the over was looking good, Adarsh, having a different idea, managing to find the gap, picks up a boundary.
और कैसे किसी ओवर की सूरत पूरी तरह से बदल जाती है, बिगड़ जाती है यहाँ पर दिखता हुआ। चंदन की ओर से एक अच्छा प्रेशर भरा ओवर जा रहा था, लेकिन इस बाउंड्री ने उसे बदल दिया। रोका जा सकता था, टाइमिंग वहां पर फुटवर्क की थोड़ी सी गलत, पूरी तरह से कमिट नहीं किया और चंदन नाखुश, बहुत नाखुश। एक अच्छा ओवर उनका घट रहा था और उनके मोमेंटम को थोड़ी सी ठेस पहुंची है यहाँ। आखिरी बॉल पर क्या विकेट ला सकते हैं चंदन, जो विकेट चाहिए कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स को। ओह, स्टंप्ड आउट! किच्चर सुदीप ने वो काम करके दिखाया, चंदन को मिली सफलता और बेहतरीन अंदाज में आदर्श को किया चलता।
We're talking about typical Anil Kumble and Chandan Kumar doing just taking a look. Seems to be a fair delivery. The way it was shown in slow motion, it looked as though he would have overstepped, but nevertheless, so Adarsh is out, stumped Sudeep, bowled Chandan for 25. Telugu Warriors 82 for 2. Sudeep bowled Chandan 25 or 14. If Karnataka can manage to pick up another wicket, then they will be totally back in the game. The momentum will shift to Karnataka. In the meantime, we have Joseph Wu back in the commentary box. Joseph, enjoying the cricket?
Shankar, I could say this is not CCL, this is serious cricket. I've been a cricket writer for a very long time. I've taken this very lightly, but having seen this kind of competition, I think this is serious stuff. These guys are playing serious cricket out there. There's so much of competition. The body language is excellent. There's so much of camaraderie as well, but they're fighting it out tooth and nail out there. This is excellent cricket.
What a shot! Akhil Akineni is not finished yet. The first ball going for a 6 in the 9th over. The momentum shifts towards Telugu.
I mean, the way they've played right from the beginning, Telugu Warriors, they've shown intent and they've been executing pretty well. The shots that they've played, it's been excellent. We just have to commend them because the competition is not that the Karnataka Bulldozers have got a weak bowling side. They've got some excellent bowlers in the team. Despite that, they've come out firing from all their cylinders. It's been entertaining cricket, and I think the 30,000 crowd here must be not being much bothered whether it is Telugu Warriors or Karnataka Bulldozers. They're enjoying the game.
A wicket of Akhil now would probably do a word of good for Karnataka. It strikes it hard. May not go to the boundary, but picks up a single. One short of his 50. Telugu Warriors now trail by 24 runs with 8 balls to go.
At the start of the toss, Hakini was talking about how he takes playing Sudeep's team very seriously, and said this is one team that I always want to be careful about. But the way he's been going about as a captain, leading from the front, is amazing. Hats off to this gentleman, cricketer.
Akineni Nageshwara Rao, Akineni Nagarjuna, his father, continuing the tradition of A&R in India, in the Telugu film industry. As we watch Samba now, a dot ball here, again, can put a lot of pressure on Akhil, as he's been regularly conversing with Samba, maybe telling him just take a single and give the strike to me.
No, irrespective of who takes the lead in this innings, there's going to be a cracker of a match because these two teams are fighting it out, as I said, tooth and nail, and they're not going to give a quarter, nor are they going to ask for a quarter. And this is excellent cricket for everybody. Whoever watches this game will definitely say this is competitive cricket. It's not just film stars playing. There's a good set of cricketers out there on the field competing the hard way.
The competitive spirit of the players being shown with the body language. That's it. Beautifully done by Samba. Just what Akhil Akineni wanted him to do. Picks up a quick single and gives the strike to Akhil. So Akhil on the verge of a very well compiled, mixing caution with aggression. And the stadium is shouting Akhil Akhil. That's the beauty of Bengaluru. There is no partisan crowd. There is only cricket loving crowd here.
Bangalore has always been this, whether it is Australia, West Indies, when it comes to Tamil Nadu, we are a little aggressive. But whatever happens, they play some excellent cricket and they support everyone. That's Akhili's 50. Though it was a airy shot, he got away with that. He's celebrating his 50. He's brought his team very much closer to Karnataka Bulldozers 113. 92 for 2 in 8.4 overs. Excellent cricket by Akhil Akineni.
Karnataka should at least try to get a lead of 10 runs at least. And this time miscuing it high in the air. Lands in no man's land. And that helping Akhil Akineni picking up the second run and celebrating in a typical cricketer style. This is not cinema style, this is a cricketer style.
Yes, as I said, these are a set of competitive cricketers who are just fighting it out there. Oh, that's up in the air. There's a fielder coming under it. He should take him. Oh, the bounce he did complete. A badly needed wicket for Karnataka Bulldozers. The Telugu Warriors captain is out. Suddenly, the entire crowd is erupted. They're celebrating the wicket of Akineni.
Akineni has been asked to stay back because whether it's a no ball or not will be checked high in the air, but in the end it's a very well judged catch. It popped out of his hand as it usually does, but in the end of it, there it is, Kicha Sudeep's daughter celebrating in style. We'll have to wait and see. And finally Akhil walks back. Got Sunil Bol Manjunath 51, Telugu Warriors 92 for 3.
Cricket has been fantastic.
Samrat, the new man in, takes the aerial route. The ball is going towards the boundary. They pick up the first run quickly. There's a possibility of a run out if the throw comes in quickly. But then, good 2 runs to end the over. 9 overs gone, 94 for 3 Telugu Warriors. All around Chinnaswamy Stadium. As Chandan starts a new over, hits it straight into the waiting hands and Rajiv makes no mistake, takes the catch and asks the crowd to applaud. And here it is, Karnataka fighting their way back into this game. Samba gone and it's 94 for 4. The celebrations already beginning here, but it's not yet over. But Chandan once again proving to be a very, very important clog in the wheel of Karnataka Bulldozers.
Fall of that wicket, we saw Sudeep egging his fans to roar, to make a lot more sound, to encourage his boys.
5 more balls to go. Important. So Kumble to Ranatunga in lighter vein. Picks up a single. Ranatunga says no, I believe in 4s and 6s, and that's the reason Taman now picks up a single of the first ball. He's a hard-hitting batsman, Taman. It's good that Samrat is on strike, and Chandan. Will the guile of Chandan pick up another wicket?
Don't forget, Arjuna Rangatunga was a very good runner.
Once again, Vishnuvardhan Induri there, enjoying every moment of it, that his efforts are giving rich dividends. Just a single. Karnataka Bulldozers won't mind that. And there's a possibility of an extra run there, but Samrat was not ready.
With 3 balls to go, Karnataka look good to get a decent lead, at least 10 runs they'll be aiming for. But then again, Telugu Warriors, if they get a couple of boundaries, they could be reducing the lead. So it's going to be very, very interesting, the next 3 balls, what Taman could do and what Chandan could do. It is going to be Chandan versus Taman.
Kumble versus Ranatunga again. There it is, hitting it hard, but all along the ground, only a single. Good bowling by Chandan, looking for the second run, possibility of a run out. And yes, it is. Yes, no hesitation, throwing his wicket away.
Absolutely, there was no run in that. Yes, they took their chance. The return came in quick to the bowler. Chandan broke the stumps. And there's definitely no run in that.
The idea was to think that the Karnataka fielding will not be good, and that's the reason they took a chance. Not much time left, but Karnataka come up with another wicket, so another batsman gone. Telugu Warriors 97 for 5, Samrat run out 3.
Bowls on the full. Taman tries to hit him over. Long on, doesn't connect. Inside edge. The batsman scrambled for a single. Sachin is the new batsman at the crease.
Sachin Joshi, one of the great supporters of Telugu cricket. The reason why he's here is because of this suicidal run out. They had to do it because there not much time was left and every run mattered the most. Sacrificing his wicket finally. And Sachin now will take strike for the one legal delivery left in the innings of Telugu Warriors.
This ball will define what the lead is. He's connected well. Deep mid wicket. But there's only 1 run. He's asking for the second. But he gets one. They settle for 1 run. It's 99 for 5 after 10 overs. Karnataka Bulldozers have a lead of 14 runs.